लेट्स स्टार्ट नीट यूजी 2019। देखते हैं कितने जल्दी कंप्लीट कर सका जाता है। तो 91 से स्टार्ट करते हैं बायोलॉजी 2019 का। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज इनकरेक्ट? फर्स्ट, वायरॉइड लैक अ प्रोटीन कोड। सेकेंड, वायरस आर ऑब्लिगेट पैरासाइट। थर्ड, इन्फेक्टिव कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट इज इन वायरसेस in the protein code. Fourth है, protein consist of abnormal folded protein. तो इसका थर्ड ऑप्शन है incorrect. Infective constituent in viruses is the protein code. Purine found both in DNA and RNA are first adenine and thymine, second adenine and guanine, third guanine and cytosine, fourth cytosine and thymine. Second option adenine and guanine. Which of the following glucose transport in is insulin dependent? First है GLUT first, GLUT second, third है GLUT third, fourth है GLUT fourth. 93 fourth option GLUT fourth. Identify the cell whose secretion protect the lining of gastrointestinal tract from various enzymes. First है chief cell, second है goblet cell, third है oxantic cell, fourth है duodenal cell. 94 second option, second goblet cell. Which one of the following equipment is essential required for the growing microbes on a large scale for industrial production of enzyme? First, BOD incubator, second, slug digester, third, industrial oven, fourth, bioreactor. Fourth option, bioreactor. 96 which of the following is true for the golden rice? First, it is vitamin A enriched with a gene from daffodil. Second, it is pest resistant with a gene from Bacillus thuringiensis. Third, it is a drought tolerant development using agrobacterium vector. Fourth, it is a yellow grain because of a gene introduced from a primary variety of rice. First option, it is vitamin A enriched with a gene from daffodil. 97 which one of the following is not a method of in situ conservation of a biodiversity? First, biosphere reservation, second, wildlife sanctuaries, third, botanical garden, fourth is sacred grove. Third option, botanical garden. Under which one of the following condition will there be no change in the reading from of the following mRNA 5 to 3rd? AACA GCG GU GCU AUU. First, insertion of a G at the 5th position, यहाँ पे 5th position. Second, deletion of a G from 5th position. Third, insertion of A and G at 4th and 5th position respectively. Fourth, deletion of a G GU from 7th, 8th and 9th position. Fourth option, deletion of GGU from 7th, 8th and 9th position. 99 which of the following method is the most suitable for disposal of nuclear waste? First, shoot the waste into space. Second, bury the waste under Antarctica ice cover. Second, dump the waste within a rock under deep ocean. Second, bury the waste within a rock deep below the earth's surface. Fourth option, bury the waste within rock deep below the earth's surface. 100. Match the following organism with the product they produce. Lactobacillus का फर्स्ट का कर्ड, फर्स्ट का सेकंड दो ऑप्शन में है, अब देखना पड़ेगा. बी का 4, सी का 5 and 3rd. सी एस्परजिलस नाइगर, सी का एस्परजिलस नाइगर, सी का 3rd. सिट्रिक एसिड, तो इसका सेकंड ऑप्शन हो गया. व्हाट मैप यूनिट्स सेंटीमॉर्गन इज एडॉप्टेड इन द कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ जेनेटिक मैप? First, a unit of distance between two expressed genes representing 10% crossover. Second, a unit of distance between two expressed genes representing 100% crossover. Third, a unit of distance between gene chromosome representing 1% crossover. Fourth, a unit of distance between gene chromosome representing 50% crossover. Third option, a unit of distance between gene chromosome representing 1% crossover. 102. 102. Select the hormone releasing intrauterine device. Waltz LNG20. Second, multi-load 375 progestasert. Third, progestasert LNG20. Fourth है lapis loop, multi-load 375. 102 का third option, progesterone LNG20. Which one of the following can be used as a biocontrol agent in the treatment of the plant disease? First, trichoderma. Second है chlorella. Third है anabaena. Fourth है lactobacillus. First option, trichoderma. 104. Express sequence tags ESTS refer to first, gene expressed as RNA. Second, polypeptide expression. Third, DNA polymorphism. Fourth, novel DNA sequence. First option, gene expressed as RNA. Colostrum, the yellowish fluid secreted by mother during the initial days of lactation, is very essential to impart immunity to the newborn infant because it contains a natural killer cell. Second, monocytes. Third, macrophages. Fourth, immunoglobulin A. 105. Fourth option, immunoglobulin A. 106. Select the incorrect statement. For inbreeding increase homozygosity. Second, inbreeding essential to evolve purulin in any animal. Third, inbreeding selects harmful recessive gene that reduce fertility and productivity. Fourth, inbreeding help in accumulation of superior gene and elimination of undesirable gene. Third option, inbreeding select harmful recessive gene that reduce fertility and productivity. 107. Select the correct sequence of the transport of the sperm cell in male reproductive system. Second, first, testes 9 seminiferous tubule, vasa differentialis. Second option, seminiferous tubule, retitestis, vasa differentia, epididymis, vasa differentia, ejaculatory duct, urethra or urethral meatus. 108. A gene locus has two allele A and small a. If the frequency of a dominant allele A is 0.4, then what will be the frequency of homozygous, dominant, heterozygous and homozygous recessive individuals in the population? इसको तो मैं बाद में बताऊंगा. 109. Match the following organisms with their respectively character. पीला का होगा रेडुला, तो थर्ड ऑप्शन कट गया. बॉम्बिक्स का होगा माल्फिगन ट्यूब्यूल्स. नहीं यार, माल्फिगन ट्यूब्यूल्स. सेकेंड ऑप्शन. प्लेरोब्राकिया का होगा सेकेंड कॉम्बो प्लेट्स, और टेनिया का होगा फ्लेमसेन. 110. द शॉर्टर एंड लॉन्गर आर्म ऑफ द सब मेटासेंट्रिक एंड क्रोमोसोमल आर रिफर टू एज फर्स्ट एस आर्म एंड एल आर्म रिस्पेक्टिवली. सेकेंड पी आर्म एंड क्यू आर्म रिस्पेक्टिवली. थर्ड क्यू आर्म एंड पी आर्म रिस्पेक्टिवली. फोर्थ एम आर्म एंड एन आर्म रिस्पेक्टिवली. Second, P arm and Q arm respectively. 111. What is the site of perceptions of photoperiod necessary for the induction of flowering in plants? First, lateral buds. Second, polymers. Third, shoot apex. Fourth, leaves. 112. Which part of the brain is responsible for thermoregulation? First, cerebrum. सेकेंड हाइपोथैलेमस. थर्ड है कार्पस कोलोसम. फोर्थ है मेडुला ऑब्लोंगाटा. सेकेंड हाइपोथैलेमस. 113. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स ऑफ द ऑर्गेनेल्स डज नॉट कंटेन DNA? फर्स्ट, क्रोमोसोम एंड लाइसोसोम. सेकेंड, क्लोरोप्लास्ट एंड द वैक्यूल्स. थर्ड है लाइसोसोम एंड वैक्यूल्स. Fourth, nuclear envelope and mitochondria. Third, lysosome and vacuole. What is the genetic disorder in which an individual has an overall masculine development? Gynecomastia and is sterile. First, Turner syndrome. Second, Klinefelter syndrome. Third, Edwards syndrome. Fourth, Down syndrome. Second, Klinefelter syndrome.